Hey everyone, happy Friday. Michna here with another week in review. So I'd like to start off with a bit of a rant because I was checking out Twitter this morning and I realized that the whole Web3 industry is in a place where it's never been before. Because on one hand, you have the retail sector where the whole sentiment is very negative and the movement is sluggish due to the recent market downturn, which is quite understandable, of course. But then on the other hand, we're seeing a lot of both new and old projects stepping on the gas pedal when it comes to building things that actually matter for the industry, such as user experience, where we see a lot of projects focusing on content chain abstraction, projects that focus on infrastructure, a lot of interest for decentralized AI, which honestly it makes sense, and ourselves were quite well positioned for that with Ruffle, our framework for off-chain computing. But I think this whole build mentality should have been here from the start, because after all these years, I think, and I know there are a lot of pessimists out there, but I think we're all aware that Web3 is here to stay. We see governments adopt Web3 technology, huge corporations. It just makes sense for a lot of sectors to adopt blockchain technology. Okay, that aside, so we have some updates from our ecosystem. So Router Protocol, their integration with Sapphire has moved from testnet to mainnet, and that's very good news because Sapphire users have now access to cross-chain messaging with I think over 25 EVM and non-EVM chains. So really great news on that side. And I'm very, very happy to announce that we have joined the DeRec Alliance along with Cardano, Ripple, Algorand, Hedera, Hashgraph, and a lot more other projects. But what DeRec Alliance does is they introduce a new open source industry standard protocol, which is used for basically simplifying and securing digital asset recovery. So this is mainly a standard approach to secret management based on secret sharing among a set of helpers, which can assist the user in recovering their secret when needed. This week, Will, our ecosystem growth manager, which we all love, has hosted the Thorn Protocol and Ori Chain to talk about both Ori Chain's O Wallet and Thorn Protocol's integration with O Wallet. And O Wallet is a great mobile wallet. It's available on both iOS and Android. I tested it out myself on both operating systems. It works great. It has a really clean and intuitive interface, super fast. So I definitely recommend checking it out. It supports our consensus layer and our executions layer, so such as Emerald, Sapphire, and that's it. Actually, but yeah, really great app. Download it and check it out. Another great piece of news: we've been thinking about opening an Oasis swag store for quite some time, but now we're getting serious about it. But before doing that and allocating time and effort into this, we would like to know your opinion, our community users, if this is something that you would want, because otherwise, as I said, why waste the time and effort into doing this? So we released polls on Telegram, Discord, and Reddit yesterday. So please join the channels, submit your vote or your opinions, maybe some specific swag that you might like, and yeah, because this is in the end for you, our community. Okay, what else? We'll have some great news regarding the Oasis University soon, because we've been working in the background on that, and we're already in talks with a couple of universities. But basically, we're opening the doors for a collaboration with universities. So we have an amazing engineering team and great tech stack. So I think it makes sense to open up collaborations with universities, and we'll have details very, very soon. So keep an eye out on our socials for that. But yeah, conference season is starting, and I'm really, really excited for this. Next weekend we're flying to Singapore for Token 2049, and our team will join a lot of talks. I'll join a talk myself, and we'll of course host the Privacy for Web3 and AI event with Ocean Protocol, drinks, food, very nice conversations. So if you're in Singapore, make sure you stop by. It's on September 19th between 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. Singapore time. And if you're gonna be part of this global hackathon, you have a chance to build on Oasis, and we'll have more details soon when in regards to prizes and the whole process basically. But yeah, excited for Singapore and excited for Asia overall, because honestly, I know there are a lot of blockchain events and conferences in Asia happening, so I'm actually thinking of staying in Asia for a couple more months, not coming back straight back to Romania after Singapore. We're probably gonna be at DEF CON in November in Bangkok, so I think it makes sense to. We're also looking to expand more in Asia, so I'm really excited to meet like-minded people in Asia. So if you're in Singapore for Token 2049, make sure you stop by and say hello. But yeah, that's it for this week in review. I'll see you next Friday, and after that probably we're gonna have a Singapore edition for the weekend review. But yeah, have a great weekend everyone. See you next week. Bye.